1. Cleaner for everything. Mix equal parts of vinegar and water together in a spray bottle to create a natural cleaner for any job. Without strong chemicals, it cleans counters, glass, and other surfaces well. 2. Clean greasy surfaces. Vinegar can cut through grease, grime, and mineral buildup, making it an excellent choice for cleaning various surfaces. It can clean your windows, remove stains from your carpet, or decal your coffee maker. A solution of equal parts water and white vinegar can work wonders. 3. Clean your microwave. Use the microwave to warm up a bowl of vinegar and water to help clean up food spills. For a clean and fresh-smelling microwave, wipe down the inside with a cloth. 4. Garden helper. Weed killer. To naturally kill weeds, spray them with vinegar. When sprayed directly on weeds, its acetic acid content can kill unwanted plants. Weeds can't grow back because the acetic acid in vinegar dries them out. 5. Clean garden tools. Additionally, vinegar can be used to clean and disinfect garden tools, preventing the spread of plant diseases. 6. Softener for clothes. To soften clothes, put half a cup of vinegar in the rinse stage of your washing machine. It gets rid of soap residue, which makes clothes brighter and softer. 7. Remove stubborn stains from clothes. Vinegar can also be used to remove stubborn stains from clothing, such as grass, sweat, and coffee stains. By pre-treating the affected area with a solution of vinegar and water before washing. 8. Fruit and vegetable Washington. Put fruits and veggies in a bowl with water and vinegar. This will get rid of bacteria and pesticide residues. Rinse the food well to get better, safer food. 9. Natural air freshener and deodorizer. Putting a bowl of vinegar in a room with a strong smell will get rid of it. This is particularly useful for eliminating stubborn odors, such as cigarette smoke or pet odors. 10. Cleaner for glass. To clean windows and mirrors, put vinegar and water in a spray bottle and shake it up. It cleans up dirt and leaves a shine that doesn't streak. 11. Cleaner for drains. To clear out clogs, pour a mix of vinegar and baking soda down the drain. The fizzing action gets rid of clogs and keeps your lines clean. 12. Mineral deposit remover. You can get rid of mineral buildup in your coffee maker and kettles by running vinegar through it. After that, run several rounds of water to clean well. 13. Rinse aid for dishwashers. Vinegar can be used as a natural rinse aid in the washing to keep glasses from getting spots and streaks. It helps get rid of soap film and makes dishes shine. 14. Take off the labels and stickers. To get rid of stickers or labels, soak a cloth in vinegar and put it over them. The stickers will be easy to peel off after a few minutes. 15. Cleaner for shower heads. To get rid of mineral buildup, soak your shower head in vinegar. This makes the water move better and keeps your shower head working right. 16. Remove pet stains. Spot clean pet spots and spray the area with vinegar and water. After letting it sit, blot it dry to get rid of smells and spots. 17. Remover of rust. Soak rusty tools or things in vinegar to get rid of the rust. To make them look good again, scrub them with a brush and rinse them well. The acetic acid in vinegar can dissolve rust. It makes them easier to clean and restore. 18. Brightener for laundry. A cup of vinegar will make your whites and colors look brighter. It gets rid of spots and keeps clothes looking bright. 19. Keep ants away. To keep ants away, spray vinegar along their paths and entry spots. Their scent trails are messed up by the strong smell, so they stay away. 20. Keep the toilet clean. Put vinegar in the toilet bowl and wait a few hours. Use a toilet brush to get rid of spots and bad smells. 21. Clean the stove. Spray vinegar on stoves that are oily and wait a few minutes. Use a cloth to wipe clean to get rid of grease and dirt. 22. Fixative for fabric dye. To set the dye, soak new clothes in a vinegar solution before you wash them. Keeps the colors from running or fading. 23. Clean cutting boards. To clean cutting boards, wipe them down with vinegar. It gets rid of smells and kills germs in food. 24. Egg poaching aid. Adding a splash of vinegar to the water when boiling eggs can help prevent the shells from cracking and make them easier to peel. 25. Tenderize tough cuts of meat. Vinegar can also be used to tenderize tough cuts of meat, as the acid in the vinegar breaks down the tough fibers. 26. Fruit fly trap. A small bowl of apple cider vinegar with a few drops of dish soap can effectively trap and eliminate fruit flies. The vinegar attracts the flies, while the soap breaks the surface tension, causing them to sink and drown. 27. Jellyfish sting relief. Surprisingly, vinegar can provide relief from jellyfish stings. Pouring vinegar over the affected area can help neutralize the venom and reduce pain and swelling. 28. Preservative. Vinegar's acidic nature makes it an excellent preservative. It's commonly used in pickling, but it can also help extend the shelf life of cut flowers when added to the base water. 29. Sunburn relief. Applying a cloth soaked in cool vinegar to sunburned skin can help soothe the burn and prevent peeling. 30. Natural deodorant. While it may seem counterintuitive, applying apple cider vinegar to your underarms can help neutralize odor-causing bacteria. 31. Livestock care. Farmers sometimes add apple cider vinegar to livestock feed or water. It's believed to improve digestion, repel flies, and promote overall health in animals like chickens and pigs. 32. Car care. Vinegar can be used to remove dead insects from car windshields and headlights. It can also help remove bumper stickers and their residue. 33. Hiccup cure. Some people swear by a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar as a remedy for persistent hiccups. 34. Dishwasher rinse aid. White vinegar can be used as a natural alternative to commercial rinse aids in dishwashers, helping to prevent water spots on glassware. 35. Mold prevention. Spraying vinegar on shower curtains and bathroom tiles can help prevent mold growth. 36. Jelly making aid. Adding a small amount of vinegar when making jellies can help prevent sugar crystallization, resulting in a smoother texture.